Hello, you are welcome back. So in this class, I'm going to be showing you how to install WordPress on your hosting, all right, your paid hosting, how to install WordPress on your paid hosting, all right. So this is not a free hosting. In my previous class, it was free hosting, but this is a paid hosting. They are different, okay? So you must see your cPanel on your paid hosting. Once you have bought your domain and hosting, you will see a cPanel. So I'm using SmartWeb, all right. They are very cheap and a bit reliable, all right. So you just click on log into cPanel. Once you click on log into cPanel, now it's going to load, create your cPanel for you. All right. Now make sure before you buy any domain and hosting on any hosting company, you must make sure that they have cPanel. There are some hosting companies that do not have cPanel, and they are very, very complicated. All right. They are very, very complicated and difficult to use. So it's advisable you make sure that you use cPanel. So once you log into your cPanel, these are the things you are going to get. You can see on the right hand bar, these are the information about the domain. So that's my domain. These are the information about all the information about your domain is there. The size of the hosting that you bought is there. All right. So if you scroll down, you are going to see CMS, different kinds of CMS. But for this particular tutorial, we are looking at WordPress. Okay, so we are going to install WordPress. So what I'm going to do, you're going to scroll down. As you can see, WordPress is the first in there. All right. So one of the scripts there is WordPress. You can see there's Joomla, and there are other CMS platforms that you can use, but WordPress is the biggest. All right. WordPress contains over 60% of the world website was built with WordPress. So it's one of the most popular CMS over there. So once you click on that, it's going to take you to your WordPress installation. It's very easy, as you can see. So these are the information that you are going to be installed. I'm just telling you, these are the things that are going to be installed alongside your WordPress. All right. All you need to do is to click on install. So there are some information you are going to remove. Now you are going to delete this particular information. If you don't delete it, it's going to add an extra layer to your hosting, all right, to your domain name. Yeah, keep in mind, once you see anything like that, it's called, you can see it's an extra layer. So it's supposed to be HTTPS, HTTP, then your domain name, right? So you can come here and change that's the title of your site. Then you need to set your password. Okay. Now this password, you must save it somewhere. The username and password, you must save them somewhere, because if you don't save them, you might not be able to relog in again, except it's going to be difficult. So make sure that you copy them and save them, right, before you finally hit on the install button to start installing. Right, so it's that simple. That's how to install your